Moments of truth. Feet outside the car, not on the clutch. And we're gonna see if it starts. Bruh. Magic! You hear the skids? My stokometer is high this morning. I am watching the Clutch Kickers Drift Series. It's top 32 going right now, and then I have some surprises for you guys. So let's go see what I'm up to today. This should really come as no surprise, considering my YouTube channel is full of Sonoma drift videos, and I love drifting with all my heart, but look what I bought. So, I got myself the gaming PC and the Logitech. I think this is the G920 wheel and pedal setup. I'm still waiting for my shifter, but I went ahead and built myself a little sim rig. It really doesn't seem like much, but I am way too excited to start playing because I have never even done a donut, so this will be my first experience drifting. The total setup with wood and everything cost me about $60, and then I obviously measured and put it together. I went in with a design to Home Depot based off of like Reddit forums and YouTube. There's tons of videos of people doing like way nicer sim rig setups, so I kind of put together my own and like pieced together from other people's and then did measurements. So I have, basically my plan is I have wood left over and I have a bucket seat coming for my WRX, and when it does show up I will be taking the driver's seat out of my car, and I still have some boards that I can make like I don't know how to describe it, but basically like a base for the seat, and then that seat will be here and slide, and then this is for the shifter, which will be here by July 3rd. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. My Wi-Fi adapter cable comes today for the gaming PC, so I should be able to actually download Assetto and start drifting. And it probably won't be much help for you guys, but that is my little design. And then Home Depot cuts wood for you, so I just picked out the wood pieces and went to the lumber section and they cut it up for me, and then I borrowed somebody's little like impact drill thing and was able to screw make it a little more sturdy because I had nailed it before, which my neighbors hated, and it wasn't super stable. But now, yeah, I might paint it eventually once the seat's mounted and stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited to start playing. Alright, so I'm sitting outside my house, outside my car, and made this. It is 2 little spade connectors, and I cut the plastic around the outside. It's about like 1.5 inches of 16 gauge wire. Crimp it, and I'm gonna try and trick my car into not having to engage the clutch on start. There should be a plug under there that I can then plug this into and basically short it out. So we're gonna see if I can find it, because when I was looking there were 2 plugs, and I just gotta confirm which one it is. Alright, so I'm laying upside down under my car, my clutch pedal, and I believe that it's going to be the one in the back. So I'm going to try and get that undone and inspect it, and then I should be able to trick it. So we're going to find out. So I managed to get the clip undone, still laying on my back, and now I'm basically just going to trick it with this. There is, let me turn and look, 2 little dudes. Then I'm going to stick this in, and then you should have bypassed it. So we're going to find out in a second. Alright, I tucked it away, and we're going to go test it. Moments of truth. Feet outside the car, not on the clutch, and we're going to see if it starts. Bruh. So I wanted to point out that that little mod on my car took like maybe 5 minutes once I actually located the cable. It was kind of a pain because I had to crawl on my back and like unplug it, but I didn't have to undo the kicker panel or anything. It was literally just right above the clutch pedal under there, little plug and play, so super easy. It'll be like literally 5 minutes. I'm obviously way too excited that worked out, and I'm still watching. It's a black screen right now, but we're still watching that. And my Wi-Fi cable just came, so it's a super good day, and we're gonna fire that up in a second and see it all go down, alright? So you have to keep in mind that growing up, I played soccer and rode horses, so like there was no gaming in my life, and this was the coolest thing ever the first time I turned it on. And it continues to just light up like that when it's on and running, so that's fucking sick. And the keyboard, oh, it's all sorts of cool. But yeah, we're going. Alright, the final part of the puzzle is here. Well, actually no, because my shifter's not here yet. But this is kind of a good test to see that this platform that honestly has like no thought or physics behind it actually is sturdy enough to hold something that has weight. So that's cool. But I'm gonna fire this all up for you guys, and we're gonna, yeah, start it up. Alright, it says literally just to plug it in, so we're gonna go and find the USB and need the light. Alright, plugged it in. That's still being awesome and lighting up. See, is that like normal for gaming PCs? Because I don't know, but it's awesome. Alright, we're gonna try and set this up, and then I have to download obviously like Assetto and all that fun stuff, but I'm beyond excited. Alright guys, so with that being said, I am going to set the rest of this up, download Assetto, and start playing. I am going to be filming all of my screen time, like literally start to finish, so I'm gonna probably not even play today because I have to download a program that can do that, but I'm going to post like a series on YouTube about learning how to drift, because I have never driven anything but all-wheel drive, and I've only done dirt and snow donuts, so this will be a whole new experience, and I'm curious to see how getting 4 years worth of ride-alongs will play a role in learning how to drift.